Okay, here we are again looking at the push jerk. We're just going to watch it full speed once. 3 reps. I'm concentrating so hard on my elbows. And, I think at full speed, you may not really see the stuff that badly. But here we're just going to focus on it 1 rep at a time. This is when I receive the bar, right? And my elbows are locked. But then, watch what's going to happen next. Boom. They buckle down. So I catch it, elbows locked, boom. And I don't know where that's happening. Somewhere down my shoulder, T-spine, whatever. But it's going to kill me when the weight gets heavier. That's 135 pounds. I'm trying as hard as I can. Here's 1 more rep. See it again on the 2nd rep. Going up. Elbows lock. Elbows buckle. Elbows lock. Elbows buckle. Gross. Kill me now.